Paryushan special dish, nachos chips with cheese dip. Nachos is a Mexican dish served as a snack or an appetizer. It is one of the ultimate comfort food. Jain cuisine is known to be devoid of consuming root vegetables. During Paryushan, devotees also avoid eating green leafy vegetables and fruits. Since Paryushan is basically undertaken to cleanse the soul, the food during this period is kept simple. So let's have a look how to make it. For making Paryushan special nachos chips, we will be needing 1 cup of makai ka atta, that is maize flour, half cup of wheat flour, that is gaihu ka atta, 1/4 teaspoon of turmeric powder, 1 teaspoon of ajwain, that is carom seeds, 2 tablespoons of oil and 1 tablespoon of salt. Let's start. We will start making dough out of it. I will be taking 1 cup of maize flour, makai ka atta, half cup of wheat flour, gaihu ka atta, 1/4 teaspoon of turmeric powder, haldi. I will be taking 1 tablespoon of ajwain, that is carom seeds, which I won't be adding completely. I will take between my palms and crush it with like this. So it will give a nice flavor to it. Now I will add 2 tablespoons of oil and 1 tablespoon of salt. Lastly, I will add water slowly and knead a dough out of it using hands. We will clean it properly. As we can see, our dough is ready. We will cover it with the lid and let it rest for 10 to 15 minutes. Before making nachos chips, first I will grease some oil on rolling board. And I will even grease it on rolling pin. Let's take a towel. Press it and start rolling it. Now I will cut the tortillas in a triangular shape. I will prick it with the help of fork. Now our chips is ready to fry. Now we will heat up the oil in a frying pan. One by one, I will add nachos chips into it. Flip it one by one. So our chips has become golden brown. I will remove it in a bowl. For making Paryushan special nachos dip cheese sauce, I will be adding cubes of butter in a pan. I have heated up the pan. Let the butter melt. Once the butter starts melting, I will be adding 1 tablespoon of wheat flour, that is gaihu ka atta. We are using wheat flour instead of maida, that is all-purpose flour, because we are making Paryushan special. I will be adding 1 tablespoon of wheat flour and stir it continuously. Get get rid of lumps. Now I will be adding 1.5 cup of milk. Stir it. I will use whisker to get rid of lumps. Now I will add 1 tablespoon of sugar and mix it well. Now I will add grated cheese. I have taken 200 grams of grated cheese. Now I will add 1 teaspoon of salt. I am not adding salt much as cheese and butter both has salt in it. One last thing I will add is turmeric powder. I will add haldi powder, 1/4 teaspoon of turmeric powder to give the yellow dip color into it. You can see the color is changing. If one don't prefer eating cheese during paryushan, one can always skip cheese. As you can see, our nachos dip is ready and it has reached the nice consistency.